Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best EU3000is is probably one of the most versatile and reliable portable power solutions available on the market today, offering a quiet, fuel-efficient, and powerful way to keep your essential devices running whether you're camping, tailgating, or dealing with a power outage at home. Its advanced inverter technology ensures clean, stable power, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones, while its user-friendly design and impressive runtime make it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs dependable electricity on the go. Number 5. Honda EU3000is generator cover. Keep your generator safe with this genuine OEM Honda part. It's designed specifically for your model, ensuring a perfect fit. Crafted from durable, waterproof, and breathable polyester fabric. This cover shields your generator from the elements, rain or shine. Enjoy a custom-fitted design that hugs your generator. This ensures maximum protection and a sleek appearance. This cover is an excellent way to protect your valuable investment. Extend the life of your generator with reliable shielding. Made with high-quality, breathable polyester fabric. It offers robust protection while allowing air circulation to prevent moisture buildup. This silver cover not only protects but also looks great. It's the ideal accessory for your Honda generator. What we like. This cover offers custom-fit protection for your generator. It's waterproof and breathable, ensuring your investment stays safe from the elements. If you're looking for reliable, tailored protection to extend the life of your generator, this is the choice for you. What people say. The generator is very quiet and runs smoothly. It's incredibly fuel efficient, lasting for hours on a single tank. The inverter technology provides clean power, perfect for sensitive electronics. Number 4. Autoworks all-terrain wheel kit for Honda EU3000is. Introducing the all-terrain wheel kit, designed to enhance the portability of your Honda EU3000is generator. This kit provides a robust solution for moving your equipment with ease. Equipped with solid, never flat tires, you can say goodbye to the hassle of punctures. These durable tires ensure reliable performance across various terrains. Featuring 4 powder-coated wheels with heavy-duty bearings, this kit is built to last. It offers superior strength and stability for demanding use. Specifically engineered to fit the Honda EU3000is generator, this wheel kit ensures a perfect match. Please note that the generator is not included, this purchase is for the wheel kit only. Get up and running in no time with the included mounting hardware and easy-to-follow installation instructions. We've made setting up your new wheel kit straightforward. What we like. Transform your generator's portability with this all-terrain wheel kit. Featuring solid, never flat tires and heavy-duty bearings, it makes moving your unit a breeze. If you frequently need to relocate your generator across various terrains, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. Good quality wheels and a snap to affix to the generator. Uses the existing bolts on the base of the generator, and both axle plates are identical, so it doesn't matter which one you use on the front or back. Installation was super easy. 13mm socket made quick work of things. The generator rolls super easy. It works and it's well made though. It's never been easy to lift and move my still great 20-year-old EU3000is generator, until now. Installed in under 15 minutes. For bolts out, put bracket on, fitting perfectly, bolts in, wheels on, retention rings hammered on. Done. Makes a very hard to move wonderful generator a very mobile generator. Number 3. Honda EU3000is portable generator. Experience robust power output, delivering 3000 watts. It's ideal for keeping your home running during outages or powering your adventures. Enjoy extended runtimes with up to 20 hours on a single tank. This means less refueling and more continuous power for your needs. Getting started is a breeze thanks to its electric start feature. You can rely on hassle-free operation every time you need it. Despite its power, it's designed for convenience. With its manageable weight and included wheels, transporting it is simple. Operate with peace of mind, as it runs at a very low noise level. You'll barely notice it's on, ensuring minimal disturbance to your surroundings. What we like. This generator delivers robust power for home backup or camping. It boasts impressive fuel efficiency and operates quietly, minimizing disturbance. If you need a reliable power source for extended periods and value a peaceful environment, this model is an excellent option. What people say. The EU3000is is a great generator that is very quiet and fuel efficient. It is also very portable and easy to start. The generator has a lot of power for its size and can run most appliances. Number 2. Honda EU3000is 1N generator. Introducing the Honda EU3000is 1N, your reliable source for portable power. It delivers an impressive 3000 starting watts and 2800 running watts, ready to handle your needs. With its 3.4-gallon fuel tank and efficient Honda GX200 engine, this generator can run for up to 10 hours at 50% load. Keep your devices powered longer without frequent refueling. Enjoy peace and quiet even when it's running. At 23 feet, its noise level is only 57 dBA, making it ideal for various environments. It offers flexible power options with two 20A receptacles and one 30A twist lock receptacle. Connect multiple devices and tools with ease. This unit is rated for use in 49 states, ensuring broad compliance across the United States. Always check local regulations before operation. Equipped with CO-Minder technology, it provides enhanced safety by monitoring carbon monoxide levels. Operate with greater peace of mind. What we like. Experience enhanced safety with its CO-Minder feature, which shuts down the generator when harmful carbon monoxide levels are detected. It also offers a long runtime on a single tank and operates very quietly. If safety and extended, quiet operation are your top priorities, this generator is the ideal choice. What people say. The EU3000is is a great generator for camping and tailgating. It is very quiet and fuel efficient. The EU3000is easy to start and operate. It has a variety of outlets, including a 12V DC outlet for charging batteries. The EU3000is a reliable generator that will provide you with clean power for your sensitive electronics. Number 1. GenExhaust for Honda EU3000is generator. Introducing the GenExhaust extension, designed specifically for your Honda EU3000is generator. This accessory offers an 8-foot length for extended reach. Attaching this extension is straightforward. It simply bolts onto your generator's existing stock muffler, making the process quick and easy. You don't need to remove the original spark arrestor. It can remain securely in place after installation. We provide clear installation instructions to guide you through every step. You'll have it set up in no time. Crafted from durable 1-inch steel, this extension is built to last. It's a reliable addition to your generator setup. What we like. Extend your generator's exhaust safely and effectively with this 8-foot steel extension. Designed for easy installation, it helps direct fumes away from your living or working space. If you need to position your generator further away from occupied areas or improve ventilation, this accessory is essential. What people say. The Honda EU3000is generator is a great choice for RVs, providing enough power to run a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, a microwave, and other appliances simultaneously. This generator is incredibly quiet, making it ideal for use in campgrounds or residential areas where noise is a concern. The fuel-efficient design of the EU3000 allows for long run times on a single tank of gas, reducing the need for frequent refueling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.